The rise of generative AI in business operations. In today's hyper-competitive business world where every second counts and efficiency is paramount, how can companies innovate, streamline operations, and remain relevant? Generative AI has emerged as a revolutionary force, reshaping business operations across industries. Far from being just another buzzword, generative AI is an enabler of transformation, redefining how businesses create value, engage customers, and operate at scale. With its ability to generate new and valuable content from text and images to simulations and code, generative AI pushes beyond traditional automation. This leap forward empowers businesses to innovate, personalize, and optimize like never before. Let's explore in depth how generative AI is leaving its mark on every facet of business. Understanding generative AI, a technological game changer. Generative AI represents a class of machine learning models designed to create original outputs based on input data. These systems leverage neural networks, particularly transformers and diffusion models, to recognize patterns and generate realistic, high-quality results. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on analyzing and interpreting data, generative AI actively produces new content. For instance, a text-based model like OpenAI's GPT-4 can craft compelling articles, draft business emails, or summarize lengthy reports. Image-generating models such as DALL-E and Midjourney create intricate visuals from textual descriptions, and tools like Codex can write software code based on natural language prompts. This capacity to generate opens up boundless possibilities for businesses to innovate. Generative AI thrives on large data sets, learning from them to mimic creativity and contextual understanding. It doesn't just respond, it co-creates, offering businesses the tools to enhance human ingenuity, not replace it. Transforming productivity and efficiency. How much time and energy do businesses lose on mundane, repetitive tasks? With generative AI, these tasks are not only automated, but transformed. Generative AI tools are redefining productivity by acting as intelligent assistants capable of performing high-quality work with minimal input. Imagine an employee drafting a lengthy legal contract. Instead of starting from scratch, generative AI can create a comprehensive first draft, leaving only fine-tuning for the legal team. This can reduce a week's workload to a single day. Similarly, in software development, AI can generate entire code bases or debug existing code, cutting down development cycles from months to weeks. For marketing teams, generative AI acts as a creative powerhouse. Need 100 variations of a product tagline? AI can produce them in seconds, complete with tone and style matching. It can also generate blog posts, press releases, and even SEO-optimized web content, reducing reliance on large content teams and accelerating time to market for campaigns. In HR, AI tools are automating performance reviews, creating detailed reports based on key metrics, and personalizing onboarding materials for new hires. Productivity gains are no longer about working harder, they're about working smarter, with AI shouldering routine and labor-intensive tasks. Redefining customer engagement. Customer engagement has long been the cornerstone of successful businesses. But in today's fast-paced world, how do you create meaningful, personalized interactions at scale? Generative AI is rewriting the rulebook, providing businesses with tools to deliver hyper-personalized, instant, and engaging experiences. For example, advanced AI chatbots can now handle nuanced conversations, simulating human empathy and understanding. These bots don't just answer basic FAQs, they remember past interactions, recommend products tailored to individual preferences, and even assist in resolving complex issues. A customer inquiry about an airline ticket can evolve into a personalized travel itinerary with hotel and activity recommendations, all generated in real time. E-commerce platforms are leveraging generative AI to revolutionize the shopping experience. AI-powered recommendation engines create personalized shopping lists, while tools like virtual fitting rooms use AI to show customers how clothes or accessories will look on them. The result? Higher customer satisfaction, increased conversions, and a more engaging shopping journey. Even in B2B contexts, generative AI is changing the game. AI-driven platforms can dynamically generate proposals, product demos, and even customized pitch presentations, tailoring every detail to the prospective client. The ability to craft such bespoke solutions in seconds is a game changer for sales teams. Cutting costs without cutting corners. One of the most compelling aspects of generative AI is its potential to significantly reduce operational costs while maintaining and often enhancing quality. This isn't about cutting jobs, it's about reallocating resources to where they can create the most value. In manufacturing, generative design tools allow engineers to experiment with thousands of variations of a single component in virtual environments. AI evaluates these variations to identify the most cost-effective and efficient design, saving time and resources. These designs are often optimized for sustainability, reducing both material usage and waste. In logistics, generative AI is being used to optimize supply chain networks and delivery routes. AI-driven simulations predict demand fluctuations and help businesses make proactive decisions about inventory management, avoiding costly delays and stockouts. In finance, generative AI models are helping companies automate critical processes such as fraud detection, regulatory reporting, and customer onboarding. AI not only reduces the cost of manual labor, but also improves accuracy, helping businesses avoid costly errors and compliance issues. By handling these resource-intensive tasks, generative AI enables organizations to reinvest savings into innovation, customer engagement, or workforce upskilling, making it a win-win proposition. Unleashing creativity. Across industries, can machines truly be creative? Generative AI is proving that creativity is not an exclusively human trait. From fashion to architecture, AI is becoming a collaborator, pushing creative boundaries and enabling innovations that were once unimaginable. In the entertainment industry, generative AI is helping screenwriters and directors develop scripts, character backstories, and even entire movie sequences. It can compose original soundtracks, design visual effects, and generate detailed storyboards in a fraction of the time it takes traditional teams. Fashion designers are using AI to explore avant-garde styles, analyzing trends to create collections that resonate with consumers. Generative AI helps architects design futuristic buildings by simulating various configurations and structures, optimizing for both aesthetics and functionality. Even in product development, AI-driven creativity is evident. Companies are using generative AI to create consumer products, from smart gadgets to packaging designs, that are visually appealing, functional, and eco-friendly. With AI co-creating, innovation cycles are faster and more impactful than ever before. Enabling smarter decision-making. In a world filled with uncertainty, how can businesses make better decisions? Generative AI provides a solution by enabling leaders to simulate scenarios, predict outcomes, and explore possibilities before making critical choices. For instance, AI-driven predictive models help retailers forecast demand spikes, allowing them to stock appropriately and avoid overproduction. Manufacturers can simulate supply chain disruptions and test contingency plans, minimizing risks during unforeseen events. In strategic planning, AI provides data-backed recommendations. Whether entering a new market, launching a product, or restructuring an organization, generative AI offers detailed insights by analyzing trends, consumer behavior, and competitive landscapes. Leaders no longer need to rely solely on intuition. They can make decisions with confidence, armed with AI-generated foresight. Risk management is another critical area where generative AI shines. By analyzing vast datasets, it identifies potential vulnerabilities and suggests mitigation strategies, whether related to cybersecurity, financial instability, or operational inefficiencies. Tackling challenges with generative AI. While the benefits of generative AI are undeniable, its adoption isn't without challenges. How can businesses ensure its ethical use, avoid biases, and address concerns about misinformation? Ethical considerations are paramount. Generative AI is capable of producing realistic fake content, raising concerns about potential misuse in spreading misinformation or fraud. Businesses must implement strict policies for verifying AI outputs and maintaining transparency about AI-generated content. Bias in AI outputs is another pressing issue. Since AI models learn from existing datasets, they can inadvertently perpetuate societal biases. Addressing this requires continuous monitoring, updating training datasets, and building diverse development teams to oversee AI implementation. Finally, questions of intellectual property and ownership remain unresolved. Who owns the content created by AI, the user, the company, or the AI developer? These legal gray areas need clear frameworks to ensure fair usage. Looking ahead, generative AI as a partner, not a replacement. The future of generative AI lies in collaboration. AI isn't here to replace human workers, it's here to enhance their capabilities. As businesses integrate AI into their workflows, it will become a trusted partner, offering insights, suggestions, and creative input that complement human expertise. In healthcare, AI will assist doctors in creating tailored treatment plans, analyze patient data for quicker diagnosis, and even suggest innovative approaches to drug development. In education, AI will personalize learning experiences, catering to the unique needs and goals of each student. For forward-thinking businesses, adopting generative AI is not just an option, it's an imperative. Those who embrace its potential will lead the next wave of innovation, while those who hesitate risk falling behind. The question is, how will your business use generative AI to write its success story?